Hello everyone, welcome to ApparelWin channel. Today let's talk about lace. It is very beautiful fabrics and can make many lovely dress, and also can be used in the dressing up, and it can be do some ornament of the garment, and you can see. It is very beautiful, right? And lace have many different patterns, and so it is a little bit, some of them is a little bit difficult to manufacture, so that's the reason why it's a little bit expensive. Let me show you something. Lace can be made by machine or hand. It is a delicate and beautiful textile, which has a distinct open web-like pattern. It can be made from any fiber, but the most common include cotton, wool, silk, rayon, nylon, and polyester. Okay, this is today's sharing. We'll post and introduce more fabric in our program. If you don't want to miss our program, you can submit our YouTube or follow our Instagram. See you guys, bye!